Assalamu Alaikum. We are going to be making pounded yam today. I've been craving for pounded yam for some time now, but I'm unable to go to the market due to the FND. But luckily for me, my sweet mom went to market yesterday and she bought me these two lovely yam. So we are going to prep it now and make the pounded yam. Let's begin. Bismillah. Sweet mother is helping me to prep the yam because I'm unable to handle knife today. You make sure you get rid of all the spoiled bits. And cut the yam into small pieces. You can see the size. It took 15 minutes to peel the yam, so now she's rinsing the yam. Next is to boil the yam. It's going to take like 20 to 30 minutes. The yam has been cooking for 25 minutes. So let's check whether it's ready to be pounded. Alhamdulillah, it's done now. So I'm going to reduce the heat. Turn off the heat. Transfer the yam to food processor. The yam has been transferred to the food processor. Add more yam. The food processor is not suitable to make hot stuff, so it's bringing out flame. Luckily for me, I still have my Maggi Miss Patisa food processor. Although I was thinking that if this one works, I'm going to dispose this one. Add a little bit of water to this. Add more water. Alhamdulillah, the pounded yam is done now. Time to serve it. Inshallah. I've done the first batch, so I'm going to be doing the second batch now. The second batch is also ready. Alhamdulillah, the pounded yam is ready and it's been served with this rice stew. Hope you remember this rice stew that I made a few months ago. See how hot the yam is. Can you see the smoke? Hot pounded yam with egusi soup is ready. Or with eforigo. Which one will you prefer? Even though I was falling and having seesaw today, with the help of my mom, I still managed to make dinner for the family. Alhamdulillah ala kulli ni'mat. I also managed to clean some of the pepper that she bought from the market, and I'm going to prepare this for jollof rice, inshallah. So never let FND stop you from doing what you love. Even though I wasn't feeling that way this morning, I still managed to do what I love. So Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Please kindly rate my video. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. IWHAT.